So I got one from Target, but it's just the compact edition. I was trying to look for the standard one, but they're out of stock. So I'm trying to go to Walmart and see if they got one. Next stop, Walmart. Sana meron. Okay, so they only have the compact again. And he's checking if they have the standard edition. Nag-iisa na lang. Yay! May army pala dito sa lugar namin. Meron sila. Hindi ulit ako. Yes! Standard ang bigat. Hi! So, I'm home. I just came home from work. Pero di ako makaantay nung sa Weavers ko. So, I dropped by Target and they're sold out of the standard edition. So, I got the compact one. Looks like this. But then I thought about Walmart and they didn't have it, but I asked the associate and he said he thought he saw something in the back. They have this. It's pretty heavy. Ito yung comparison nila. Okay. So I'm gonna unbox the compact one first. Ganda. So this is just like a paper cover. And then we have the CDs here. Oh. So we have CD1, CD2, and CD3. And then here's just the list of songs. Okay, time for the photo card. The big one I got is green. And then this one, the random photo card I got is and then this is, oh, it's like all their albums in one. And then they also have this mini poster, proof poster. Ooh, look at that. The photo book.
So they have the songs with the lyrics in Korean. And then here comes the photo book. I'll just pass it slowly. And then some other lyrics and then the other photos. That's it for the compact.
Okay, so next one is the standard edition. So it comes in this like, whoa, plastic case. There's a logo and there's proof logo. Then it comes with this like hard case that you can like open. It's so pretty. Let me bring out one by one what's inside. So this one is the CD holder. It's bigger compared to the one that's included in the compact edition. Then when you open it, the CDs are here. Mahaba. Okay. So it's time for the photo cards. Sino to? The big one is, what is this? Oh my gosh, I keep them getting V. Sige na naman. Oh, it's back to back. And then we have the photo cards. So I think the black one is like the pictures of all of them, like individually. And the white one is the like lucky draw. So we have JK, Kobe, RM, Jimin, V, Suga, and Jin. And then my lucky draw is 47! So happy! Ganda. So I think it's bigger than the one that's included in the compact edition, because this is the one from the compact and this is the one from the standard edition. Oh, so you like use this like bookmark to like lift it up. Wow, includes a lot of photo books. Okay, so this one is the epilogue. The Art of Proof. Next is the photographs. Oh, this is just the lyrics. So in the compact, they're like in the lyrics is included with the photos in here. They just separated like the lyrics of the songs. We have the big poster. So nice. So there's my unboxing. I'm waiting for my order from Weavers. I'll see sinong mabubunot. So here I got OT7. Yay! So that's it. See you in my next video. Bye!